If you've never made strawberry ice cream before, then this is your sign for you to make it, and this recipe is going to blow your mind. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite elegant chef boss, and in today's episode I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make your strawberry ice cream without stress. Let's get right into it. These are all the ingredients you need. This is our whipped cream, our strawberry flavor. This is our strawberry jam. If you want to know how to make it, the video is up on my YouTube channel, and our condensed milk, and these are all the ingredients you need. So in the bowl, you're just going to add your whipped cream and then a cup of cold water, and then you start to mix it up together. I whipped this for over 10 minutes until I got this consistency. So after whipping it and it starts to form like this, then you know it's ready. So I'm just going to add a cup of condensed milk to this, and then half tablespoon of strawberry flavor. Then I'm going to whip this for just 1 minute. After whipping this is how it looks like. This took over a minute. So I'm just going to add my strawberry jam to this. Like I said earlier, if you want to know how to make this, the video is up on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to mix this together until it is combined. So I'm just going to add this inside my bowl. At this stage, I'm just trying to level it up. Then I'm just going to heat it down a bit to remove all the bubbles, and then add a little bit of the remaining strawberry jam. It's not much. Then smoothen the surface, and then cover this with a cling film. Then I'm just going to cover this and then allow it to refrigerate for hours. I left this overnight in case you're wondering. Then after the next morning, this is what I have all ready and all frozen up. Time for us to serve. This is so perfect. So after I scooped this, I'm just going to garnish. So for one of this, I used my strawberry as toppings, and for the other one, I'm using cookies because everything tastes better with cookies. And at the end of the day, this is what we have. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate it? Because you really need to. This is so perfect. This is going to blow your mind. Do not forget to watch our other videos to learn how to create an easy and affordable recipe. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.